All right, my friends, so are you ready? We're going to do a little math lesson today on addition and subtraction. Actually, we're just going to focus on addition today. So here's our learning target. You guys remember the learning targets?
Yes.
That you talk about in class?
Yep.
This one is how to represent addition and subtraction in multiple ways, okay? And I know I'm successful when I can use objects to represent addition and subtraction. I can recognize and use math symbols correctly, and I can combine numbers correctly for addition, or I can take away numbers correctly for subtraction. But today, we're going to focus on addition. So each one of you is going to get one of these little baskets, okay?
I want pink.
And everybody's going to get what they get as far as colors. You're going to have a big stick like this, and then you're going to have smaller ones like this. And we're going to build teen numbers with this, okay? So I'm going to give you each a basket. Here's yours,
like a
Jason.
hot dog
It does
in the
look like a
sauce.
hot dog.
I got hot
So,
dog and the sauce.
Can you guys do me a favor? Can you
It looks like a
count
popsicle.
how many blocks are on your stick? How many cubes do you have on your stick? How many do you have?
I have
1, 2, 3,
I have
4,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right.
Even.
We all have 10. Okay, now let's think about it. Hold on, JC and Aaron, 1 second. Just wait. You have colored blocks too. I'm going to write a number on my whiteboard, okay? And then I want you guys to try to build that number. Okay, so we have 10. We're going to have 10, and how many more make a certain number, okay? So if I wrote this number, what's this number?
12.
12. So if I had 10, how many more blocks do
I
I
need
need
2
to
more.
put on to make 12?
more.
JC, can you show me how to make 12? Can you put more blocks on your orange stick
no,
to
I
make
forgot.
12?
Let's get this.
Aaron, can
okay.
you make 12 for me and show me?
11, 12.
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Like you
6,
add
7, 8, 9,
Perfect.
10, 11, 12.
Okay, so how many you gotta take off? So now you have to take away 3 to make 12. I know sometimes they're tricky. If it gets too tricky to stick them on, you guys can just lay them down and
Why
put
is
the
it
blocks next
stuck?
to each other. You want me to help you? Do
I'm going to try the
you want me to help you, JC?
Wait,
Here we
am I supposed to, are we supposed to put all of them?
No. Okay, ready for your next number? Let's see. So you're
I
going to
got
start
12.
with 10. We have one group
got
of 10.
12.
You got 12. Great job, JC. You've got one group of 10. Now let's see how many more we need to make this number. What is this number? 14. Can you show me 14?
10, 11, 12, 13.
11, 12, 13.
I got 14.
Good job.
14.
Great job, JC. Great job, Bella and Aaron.
But
Okay.
we can't have a really big number if we don't
No,
have
we're just
that.
working on the first couple teen numbers. So what is it? It's 10, and how many more make 14? If I have one group of 10, how many more cubes do I need to make 14?
4.
4.
Four.
Great job, Aaron. Good job, guys. Okay, you ready for your next one? Let's see, let's see. And then maybe I'll give you guys a turn, and you can pick a number.
Wait, can I be first?
Okay, we'll see. What number is this?
11.
11. So 10 and how many more make 11?
11.
Great job, JC. 10 and
11.
how many more? And 1. 10 and
Can I do
One more.
after?
The
Can I
one
be
stays
first?
and the
We'll see.
zero goes and then the one goes.
okay, ready for your next one? You guys are doing a great job with this.
10 plus 1 equals 11.
What about this one?
Ooh la Ooh la la.
Because we have our group of 10. How many more?
It's 30.
Great job, JC. It's 13. You're doing such a good
I got
job.
13.
And you can show my professor. You've got 13. Yep.
Yep.
13. 10
13.
and how many more?
3.
3 more. 10 and 3 more. Okay, let's do one more, and then I'm going to let Aaron, Bella, and JC pick a number. Okay?
Can I be first?
Ready? We're all going to get a turn. What's this number?
That's all of our blocks.
Oh, you think it's all your blocks?
16. Yep, I think it's all of our blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3,
6,
4,
9,
5,
10,
6,
11,
7, 8,
12,
19, 40,
15. Yep. If you have 10 and 5 more.
11, 12, 13. Oh!
There you go, JC.
I have a question.
15. Yes, Aaron.
So, like,
I
when
think-
you have
I
that,
think
It is 15.
face it like this,
Mm-hmm.
the 5 is on the other side, but the 5.
Oh, because this is a mirror image. Because it's a camera, it flips it around so it makes it look funny. Huh? That's a really good question.
Yeah, that's what I always
Okay,
do.
Aaron's gonna pick a number now. Okay, Aaron.
Mm.
Can you write a number between 11 and 15 and show your friends and see if they can build it? Okay. Between 11 and 15. Just write it normal. Tell me about the camera. Awesome. Okay, show your friends what number. What number did Aaron make?
40.
4, and JC's got it. So 10 and how many more?
4.
Great job, Bella. 10 and 4 more. Thank you, Aaron. Okay, JC, are you ready?
Okay.
How come I'm the last one?
Well, just the rotation, babe.
Yeah, it's just a rotation.
Everybody's going to get a turn. So can you write me a number, either 11, 12, 13, 14, or 15?
11.
Okay, write it on there and show your friends. Okay, look what number JC has. Let's see. 10 and how many more do we need?
11.
11.
Great job.
It's my turn.
Okay,
I already know what
Bella's
my
turn.
thing
Are you ready?
Yep.
Erase it. Write your number between 11 and 15
I
and
made
show your
them
friends.
so they could fit in place.
11.
This is our last one of this, and then we're going to do
I
something
made
else.
it so they could fit in place.
Great job, Aaron. Sometimes they're tricky, huh?
They need to fit 3.
All right, Bella, you ready? What number did Bella write?
14.
What did she write, JC?
30.
All right, so how many? 10 and how many more make 13?
15.
So, Aaron, how many more? 10. You have your 10. Show me 13.
So take away this many.
Ah, you had to subtract. You had to take away
Yep,
some.
we gotta take away. 2, 3, 4,
Perfect.
5,
You guys are
6,
rock
7,
stars.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay, you can put your blocks back in the basket.
This was mine.
Thank you.
I want mine.
Oh my goodness, blocks are flying everywhere. It's okay, JC. Here you go. Put it in the basket for
I
me.
put it like it was. Nick!
Yes.
Like it was. My shoe? Look it! It made a circle because look, I have a circle
Oh,
on
you
my
do.
shoe.
Thank you, JC. All right, Bella, you got them all?
Yep, I got them all.
I'll take your
Let me
basket
take
and we'll go
these
to the
boxes
next
off.
part.
What's that do?
This
You
one,
see?
This one looks like the hot dog you dip in the
That's-
sauce.
It
That's
does look like hot
us.
dog and ketchup, huh?
Yeah, wait.
So, this is our next thing we're going to do. We're going to do a little worksheet. Miss Amy's going to grab you some pencils. Okay. I'm going to grab you some pencils. Now, what do I have here? What's this a picture of? Do you know what these are? What do they look like?
They look like some math.
It does look like math. Bella, do you know what these are?
It looks like math.
What? It looks like math. Yes, we are. What is
Because
this?
we're doing math
You
after
guys know what
reading.
this is?
I know. It's a domino.
A domino. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some domino math. So watch. Ready, JC?
What's
Ready.
domino?
I'm going to give you each a
Pizza
domino, like pizza, right? How many dots do I have on this side? Let's count.
1, 2, 3.
So I'm going to draw my 3 dots to match. How many dots do I have on this side?
1.
1. So I'm going to write the number here. Ready, Bella? Look this way. We're going to do our number sentence.
3.
3. Good job,
Bella.
JC. Bella, right here. I need your help.
1.
And then 1. So if I had 3 and 1 more,
It's 4.
great job, JC. That's what we're going to do. Yes.
Oh,
Miss
okay.
Kathy has tissues on her desk. So if I wasn't sure what that was,
Need tissue.
what could I do?
Here, sweet.
I could count all my dots together, right, JC? I could
Yeah.
go 1,
1,
2, 3, 4.
4.
So I know that's 4. To complete my number sentence, I could do 3 plus 1 equals 4.
4.
And I know it's putting together, right? A part and a part is a whole because I see my addition symbol here. We are only doing addition today. I'm going to give you guys a worksheet. Put your name on the top so I know it's yours. And then I'm going to give you each a domino. This one's mine. Sorry, you wrote on it.
Oh, you wrote the name?
Yep. Put your name on it for me. Here's your pencil. And then I'm going to give you each a domino when you're ready. And you're going to build your dominoes. Great handwriting, Aaron. Great job. And we're each going to get a turn with the domino. So whichever color you get, you're going to get it a different one. You're going to rotate, okay? So I'm going to give you this one first.
Okay, first I have 1, 2,
There you go,
3,
JC,
4,
match it up.
5.
One,
five.
2,
But first, draw your domino first. Draw your dots here and your dots here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mhm.
These domino dots are white.
But look, let's count your dots. Make sure you got it.
I did. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5. So you need 5 on this side.
I did. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There you go. So now
6.
5 plus how many more? But let's look at our number sentence. Is it 5 plus 6 or is it 5 plus 5?
Oh, I know.
Yeah, you got it?
I know.
Okay. Good job, JC.
I
Thank you
don't
for
want
being careful.
kill a sign on the back.
Yes. 5 plus 1 more equals 6.
plus
It
1
It is a cool design on the back. All right.
equals 3.
Aaron, can you write your number sentence here?
Okay. 1.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, how do I draw it? 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, I'm going to give you a
5,
different
6.
domino now. Okay, ready?
Okay. Okay. I need a different domino.
Okay, 1 second. We're going to wait for Aaron and JC. Awesome job. All right, Aaron, you ready for your next one?
I'm ready.
Okay, JC, you ready for your next one?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to give you a new domino. Can I have that one back? Thank you. Here's your next domino. All right, Bella, you ready? Yep, you showing my professor? Yep, you're doing such hard work. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, so,
One,
So
one,
write your number
2, 3,
sentence.
4, 5.
5. So do I have to write 3?
mm-hmm.
Okay.
And now what is 3 and 3? When you put them together, 3 plus 3 more.
7. 1.
And
2,
see, if you weren't
3.
sure, you could just count your dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
them white. Need different dominoes.
Okay, ready for another one?
I made them white like these.
Okay, that's awesome. You
1,
did make
2,
them white. You
3.
didn't color them in.
Everything. I have 3.
Here's another one for you, Aaron.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Do I draw another 3? Or do
Well,
I 1?
What's on this side? Yep.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3.
What's on this side of your domino?
2. 1.
Good. How we doing, JC? You're being an artist over there with your domino, aren't you? Good job. Awesome sauce, Aaron. Good job, Della. Awesome sauce. Let's see, what have I not given you yet?
Are we taking these home?
Yes, you can bring these home and show your mom. The dominoes have to stay with
Can I
you.
show my mom?
Okay, here's your next one.
I'm gonna color them in.
Sure, you can. You can take them home and color them.
1. Do I draw another 5 or do I draw 1?
Well,
Oh, 2.
Yep, count your dominoes. Be a careful counter to make sure you have the right number of dots.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so, yep, how many dots go in this box and how many dots go in this box?
Plus 4 equals 8.
Awesome sauce. Good job, Aaron. Okay, let's give you some more. You got 2 left. Let's see. What have you not had? Ooh, here's one you haven't had. And you haven't had this one. Okay, are you ready, JC? You doing your number sentence?
Yeah.
Great work.
5 plus 1 equals
You can count your dots if you need help.
Dominoes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Awesome job, JC. 5 plus 1 more is 6. Here, put it in the basket and we'll get you a new one.
Okay,
Pick
now
another
what
one.
do I do again?
Okay. You want to pick? Aaron, pick one. Okay. So you have how many dots? Look, line it up. How many dots go in
1,
this
2,
box?
3, 4.
Okay. And how many dots are on this side?
I haven't did this
1,
one.
2, 3.
4.
Perfect.
I haven't did this one.
Okay, that's great. You can do that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. 4 plus 4 more equals 8.
1.
Can I pick my own?
Sure, you can pick your own if you'd like.
Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
You guys are working so
1,
hard.
2.
This is awesome. Great job, Aaron. Don't forget your
1,
number
2,
sentence on
3,
this
4,
one.
5, 6, 7, 3. Plus 3 equals 4, 5. The same thing now.
It does. Look, 3 plus 3 is the same as 5 plus 1. You still get 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. If you would like to do more, you guys can flip it over on the back and do a couple more if you'd like while we wait for JC to finish up this one.
Okay.
You can pick your own domino.
I know what
You build your
infinite plus
own.
infinite is. Infinite.
Infinite plus infinite is
3
infinite.
Yeah,
Plus
because it keeps
1.
going on forever.
Mhm.
equals 4.
Great job, JC. 3 plus 1 more equals 4. Would you like to do one more?
Okay.
You can do one more, JC. Pick your domino.
I'm doing the infinite logo.
That's awesome.
Equals.
1, 2.
I need to put my answer here.
Okay.
Infinite. It's
You
right
probably
here.
have time to do
It's right-
one more.
It's like
1,
0
2,
plus
3,
0
4.
equals 0.
Mm-hmm.
4. 1, 2.
Because if you count to infinite
1,
too
2,
much,
3,
it'll
4.
restart to 0.
4.
That's above my
1,
math
2,
knowledge,
3,
Erin.
4, 5, 6,
That's a
7,
big
8.
number.
And I know why when you draw when
1,
you
2,
do 100
3,
plus
4,
100 it equals 200 because you have 200.
That's right. You have two groups of 100, right? 100
doesn't
and 100.
It doesn't equal
1,
a million.
That's right.
Together.
That's right. You have two groups of 100.
That's why people say that.
1,
Mhm.
2, 3. 3.
All right, JC. What is your last
1, 2,
one?
3, 4.
What's your number sentence?
40.
2 plus 1 equals 3.
Yep. Fantastic. 2.
And it's already got that.
Look, you have the same one. 2 plus 1
2,
more
2.
is 3. Great job. You can put the domino back in here.
5.
And guess what, guys? We are all done with that lesson. You did such a good job. So let's talk about real quick.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ready, Bella?
7.
We talked about
1,
making
2,
team
3,
numbers.
3.
You're gonna do your finish your number sentence. Finish your number sentence, Bella.
4.
I like that you're doing extra. So 3 plus 1 more is 4.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. So we did this, right? What did we do? 10 plus how many more? So if I had 10 and I
I'm
put
not done.
2 more, what's that, JC? 10 plus 2 more.
Um,
Let's count it for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10, 11, 12.
12. So when we have a group of 10 and we add a few more, that makes a team number, right? We have 10 plus 3 more is 13. And then you guys also did number sentences and built them with dominoes. Addition. Now, were we doing addition problems? Were we adding things together, or were we taking things away and doing subtraction?
Taking things away.
Were we taking numbers away, or were we putting numbers together?
Taking things away.
Ooh, let's look. What is this sign?
Taking things together.
Putting things together, right? We have this plus sign. That means we're putting something together. If I said I had 5 and I took away 1, that would be subtraction. But if I had 5 and 1 more, is 6. That's addition. Okay, high five, my friends. Great job. Thank you, JC.
Can we get our
Good
prize
work.
now?
High five. Yep, you guys did hard work, so you can have some playtime.
Wait,
Okay.
Can I pass the mouse?
Thank you. Good job, my friends.